Regency's Cool Wall System is an all-new fireplace technology that ensures a cool wall surface directly above the fireplace. Our patented heat exchanger and glass safety barrier create a silent and reliable natural convection system to keep walls cool. All without the need for expensive power venting, noisy fans, or unsightly metal screens. First, as the fireplace heats up, cool air is drawn into the system around the floating glass safety barrier. This cooler air is then split between the heat exchanger and the inside wall cavity. The air travelling through the heat exchanger is heated by the fireplace and directed to the back, maintaining a cool wall surface. Through natural convection, the warm air rises and is released into the room at ceiling level. This process also reduces excessive radiant heat in front of the fireplace for more comfort close by. The Regency Cool Wall System allows for flexible heat release options, front, top or side. Add a TV, artwork or wallpaper right to the edge. Silent, reliable and customizable to your decor. The Regency City Series Cool Wall System is design freedom. To learn more and see all of our City Series products, visit regency-fire.com.au.